Class 10th. Today we will discuss and solve exercise 4.4. This is based on nature of roots. Question number 1 is find the nature of the roots if the following quadratic equations if the real roots exist, find them. So first what question says, you have to find the nature of the roots. How will you find the nature of the roots? You will find only the nature of roots by finding the value of b square minus 4c, b square minus 4ac, which is also called a discriminant. If the real roots exist, जिसका real roots आएगा, so we have to find the roots. If the real roots does not exist, so we no need to find the roots. So our first part is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Second part. And third is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. I will show you first two parts and third part you can try yourself. First part, let's take the solution of first part. First of all, we have to show the nature of the roots. The nature of the roots depend upon the value of b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant. So given quadratic equation is 2x square, the first part, minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So comparing this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Let us first find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is called a discriminant d, b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. We get 9 minus 40. So that becomes minus 31. So our discriminant is minus 31, which is less than 0. Negative. Negative means less than 0. Therefore, no real roots exist. No real roots. Then what is the nature? So nature is no real roots. Real roots. So there is no real roots because the discriminant is negative. That means less than 0. No need to find the roots. Our second part is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3 and c equal to 4. Now we'll find the discriminant so that we can write its nature. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is your b? That is minus 4 root 3 and square minus 4a. The a's value is 3 and c value is 4. Therefore d becomes minus ka square plus 4 ka square 16 root 3 ka square, that is 16 into 3 minus 4 3s are 12 4s are 48. That means 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So discriminant is equal to 0. If the discriminant comes out 0, so what will be the nature? The nature will be yes, speak. The nature will be two real equal roots. So nature is, we'll write the nature of this. So roots exist, nature is two equal real roots. So we have two equal real roots. The roots will be equal. If one root is 2, then another will be also 2. So let us find the roots now. So we have x equal to the quadratic formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So now this is the quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b. B is yours minus 4 root 3 plus minus under root b square, that is equal to again minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 and b is c is upon 2 into a is 3. So x is equal to 4 root 3 plus minus under root 48 minus discriminant, that is b square minus value, that is equal to 0. So we have 6. So x equal to 4 root 3 plus minus 0. So we get 4 root 3 plus minus 0 upon 6. That means the value of this 2 is equal to 2. We can cancel is 4 root 3 upon 6 comma 4 root 3 upon 6. So therefore the two roots of this quadratic equation will be equal to 2 root 2 upon 3, 2 root 3 upon 3. So these are the two equal real roots of this equation. 2 root 3 upon 3, because you cancel 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, again 2 3 the 6, 2 to the 4. So these are the values, solutions.